How to fix Fortnite blue screen PC easy Fortnite fix. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can fix Fortnite blue screen uh, PC. So first of all, you have to verify that your PC meets Fortnite minimum and recommended specifications, and after that you have to check for outdated or corrupted graphics driver, cause these are a common cause of blue screen errors. Ensure your NVIDIA, AMD or Intel drivers are up to date. And after that you have to verify the game files in the Epic Games launcher. You have to right click on Fortnite and select verify to check for and repair any corrupted game files. And after that, if you're using a DirectX 12, try switching to DirectX 11 in Fortnite settings. Some system may be more stable with DirectX 11. And right click on the Fortnite executable, go to properties and try running the game in compatibility mode for an older version of Windows. So following this steps, you can fix Fortnite blue screen on your PC. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.